everyone, it's family. I love drawing and painting very much. It is very easy drawing. Please try to draw with me. I love drawing and painting very much. It is a very easy drawing. My hobby is drawing and painting. Wow, it is very easy. Look at the drawing and it will come perfect shape. Wow, look at the drawing. If you dark the sides, it's more visible, right? If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Wow, our drawing is completed. It's time for painting. Yellow color. Brown color. Pink color. Orange color. Red color. Light blue color. Green color. Dark blue color. Light pink color. Light pink color. Wow, our drawing is completed. Love drawing. See you next video. Bye bye.
Baba.